radio station WXJ68, transmitting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz from Monte El Estado in Maricao.
The National Weather Service in San Juan has issued an extreme wind warning for Vega Baja, Florida, Barceloneta, Morovis, Vega Alta, Arecibo, Ciales, Orocovis, and Manatí until 10 a.m. Visible and infrared satellite imagery indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Major Hurricane Maria, which will impact the municipalities of Vega Alta, Florida, Barceloneta, Morovis, Vega Baja, Arecibo, Ciales, Orocovis, and Manatí within the next hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Move immediately to the safe room in your shelter.
Flash flood emergency along Rio Grande de Manatí. The National Weather Service in San Juan has extended the flash flood warning for Florida, Barceloneta, Ciales, and Manatí until 4 p.m. At 9:14 a.m., extremely dangerous runoff along Rio Grande de Manatí will result in severe flash flooding along this municipality. This is a flash flood emergency for Rio Grande de Manatí. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher level within the shelter now.